All right, here I am, and I just want to say whoever invented this extension, like, what a genius idea. I bought this years ago because I had to get in some tight places with a wire wheel, and this worked perfect. It was actually for cleaning out a dryer. So yeah, whoever invented that extension, I think it's like a 16-inch or 12-inch extension, you are in my forever respect, because that is such a good idea, man. Because I'll show you why here in a minute. I just want to show you what I've been working on. Okay, so this is the shelf. I decided to relocate my Pecron solar generator right here. And the reason why is it's in there. I mean, I'm pulling down quite a bit. And I could pull down really hard and it's not moving. I secured it to this, just put a single bolt in. I don't want to drill anything not knowing what's on the other side. So this is just a simple 3/4 inch bolt. You know, it doesn't go very far in, so I didn't want to hit anything that's crucial or vital or whatever. I don't think there's anything behind that because the whole thing here moves. But then I secured the bottom with one of these. Secured it with a screw, a 3/4 inch screw, but I also put a washer on each side of it because you are going through plastic, which is susceptible to cracking. And this, is stout. This is really awesome. I just polyurethaned it. I put one of these L brackets, these metal L brackets on each one. I don't know if you can see that or not, but yeah, this fits perfect. And I just put that there. I probably will pull this off because I don't really think I need it. This thing's in there pretty well, and when I move it, when I pull on the leg, I can pull with probably 100 pounds and it doesn't move it. And the reason why I wanted to locate it below this is because you might have to get at these for your struts. You might have to get at this compartment sometimes, so you can actually take these off without removing this whole shelf, which is why I did that. That's why I kept it lower than that. But yeah, so now I got that shelf and this sits perfect. There's room enough to put, because there's nothing in the back for connecting, but on top here I might want to set my phone up there when I'm sleeping or whatever, because this is exactly where my bed's going to be located. And I might want to wirelessly charge something. I'm going to run my solar panel, and it's going to come through this back hatch, and it's going to come through right to here. It's going to be real simple. I'm going to tack it to the wall. I'm huge when it comes to wires. I don't like wires everywhere, and I like simplicity. And when I have to cook, I'll just have to, bite my tongue and run an extension cord over here if I want to cook on this surface. But what's nice is I was thinking, if I have it up there, I have drinks and stuff up there all the time. And again, I've mentioned this in other videos. The awesome Facebook group, what is it? Toyota Sienna Campers, or whatever they call it, on Facebook, was absolutely brilliant. And this young lady, she was like, hey, I've spilled stuff on my solar generator and you don't want that. So I decided to relocate my solar generator back here, which is also better because I might want it if I'm cooking back here off of my my extend a hitch, whatever, swing away hitch with all my stuff on it. So I might do a lot of camping with my wannabe awning here. So yeah, but that's it. Hope you guys like it. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching always.